Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect FB Markets to MetaTrader 5. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your FB Markets account right here, and then you want to make sure that you already open up a trading account. If not, you can just navigate through your own dashboard, click on the MetaTrader 5 right here, and then you want to get your credentials for the MetaTrader 5 platform. Now your credentials for FB Markets and MetaTrader 5 is going to be different, so you want to get your credentials first on your account. From there, we can then navigate through our MetaTrader application right here, click on File, click on Open an Account, and then you want to search for FB Markets. Now there's going to be different servers right here, like the FB Markets LLC, and we have the FB Markets Limited. In my case, I'm going to be clicking on the FB Markets LLC right here. You can just go ahead and check what's the difference between these two, but you want to make sure that you have clicked on the right one because they all have different servers. From here, you just click on Open or connect with an existing trade account. Enter the credentials that's been given to you on your account dashboard, and from here you also want to make sure that you enter the right server. It's going to be listed beside your trading account credentials. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.